Hello and welcome to the EpiSense keynote of August 2020. Today we will unravel our business plan for the future and hope to have you on board on our journey. If you saw a 1-minute pitch, then you would realize that the life of a person with active epilepsy is not easy. The medication they take, valproate, has a different dosage effect on every individual. Because of that, the average epileptic person undergoes nowadays an avalanche of time-expensive treatments in their quest to live with epilepsy. The reality is that around 5 million people in Europe suffer from epilepsy, resulting in a direct and indirect cost of €6,000 per patient per year. Moreover, when this neurologic disorder is accompanied by kidney impairment, hepatic disease or hypoalbuminemia, there is no effective way to determine their serum levels. Lastly, in emergency situations such as status epilepticus, valproate levels need to be determined very fast to ensure the right dose administered. So in essence, there is a need for a precise, cost-effective and fast therapeutic drug monitoring device for the measurement of free valproate at the point of care. This is what we offer, with the EpiSense device and cartridge. Now, what are the main benefits for our stakeholders? For the patients, like mentioned before, a far more effective treatment. And finally, a good solution for patients with underlying conditions and those in emergency situations. For the neurologists and hospitals, there are economic and time benefits, as there will be a lot more patients reached while the amount of interactions decrease. And for our pharmaceutic partner, Mylan, we offer them a higher market share of their valproate drug in exchange for distribution of our devices and cartridges. Together, we will expand all over Europe and beyond. Let's talk about the future. This year, we will start the development phase, followed up by a clinical study the next year with key opinion leader from UZ Leuven. This will allow us to validate our device, proof of concept and market reach. Next up is the start of bringing our product to the market with our distribution partner Mylan. First to the 4 centers of refractive epilepsy in Belgium in 2023, followed up by an expansion to the big hospitals and neurologist clinics in the Benelux. We aim to be well established by 2025 with a market share of 11.5%. The same approach will be followed to succeed in our expansion in Europe. The aim is to sell devices to the epilepsy centers in the capitals and big cities of the countries in the European Economic Area, plus the Balkan countries and Switzerland. After 2027, our future goals are to expand our market further in North America, expansion to other anti-epileptic drugs, to create and distribute the at-home product. This requires a ton of research and solving of legal and privacy issues. And finally, to create and distribute an altered, optimized product for low-income countries, where 80% of all people with epilepsy reside. Here you can see our commercial plan, with all of our key partners regarding funding, production, market expansion, distribution, and us doing further research and development. Next up, our financial plan. The big takeaways are that we start out with 1.1 million seed capital. We plan to be break-even after 6 years and reach 1.3% of valproate users by the end of 2027. We hope you enjoyed our presentation and look forward to have you on board. Thank you for listening.